Emily, where are you going? You trying to roll? Roll towards your Morocco. Oh! You almost got it. That was almost there. You almost rolled completely over, little girl. Oh, almost. You're trying really hard. I like that. You're trying to roll over. You're working at it, huh? No, wait, not for you. Whoop. Whoop. Kisses for that baby girl. Okay, we need to fix your dress. Your dress is up by your head, silly goose. Yeah. Oh, oh, you made a mess. Uh-oh.